So today I've got the 2024 Toyota CHR with me. Yet again, you're thinking, but there is a reason. I did a video the other day and I said you can get this colour, white, on the design for free. It's the only free colour you get, but I said you can also now get a £350 black roof. And someone's listened to me because I said it will totally change the look of the car. So now look at that. How good does that look? So that's free and that's just 350 quid. And the other thing I mentioned, so the most spec you can get without having to go over that, you'll get a theme here. I don't like spending too much money. So if you pay over 40,000 quid in the UK, you have to pay for the higher rate road fund license, which is another £410 a year. You see this one is the plug-in, as denoted on the back, the FEV. So yeah, this one's a plug-in, which is 39.1 something, I think. So I said, if you buy this at 39, the roof at 350, the colour's free, you stay just under that 40,000 threshold, so you don't have to pay that £410 a year. So yeah, come on, look at that. That looks so good. I mean, I'm a bit biased. I've got a RAV4 Dynamic in pearl white with a black roof, and it looks amazing. It's coming up to 4 years old, and I'm going to part exchange it in. You'll see I've done a video on it, actually. I rated it as the best car available at the moment for 20 grand. Have a look at my videos. I'm on a journey of trying to get a new vehicle, and I don't know whether to downsize, upsize, in between size, go across to something different. You'll see, I like to research. I'm researching things like this, and I was just, like, this was more sort of like an advice thing. For me, I found out that that was free. That was 300 quid. And it just works, doesn't it? It's like the best spec you can get without paying that awful £410 a year extra on the road fund license for the what I call the wealth tax. So my all-wheel drive RAV4, go and have a look at the video, it was 39.95, so it came under that. Whereas now for the same spec vehicle, it's like 48,000. So prices have risen, but the threshold hasn't. So from where my RAV was, now this is similar, this comes under. So, you know, if you're tight like me, this is where you want to be. Have a look for in a sec, like I said, but that's what I recommended the other day. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So the sun's just come out, so I thought I'd show you in the daylight as well. Come on, look at that. It's a great looking car. Thoroughly recommended by me. As said on all my previous videos, these are so quiet to drive. You can literally hear a pin drop in here. It's that quiet. You can, like, it's almost like ASMR. You got like squeakiness off the steering wheel. It's that quiet. These are so good. For those who haven't seen my other videos, I'll just have a quick spin over the interior on this design spec. You'll see I prefer the Icon. See, the Icon's got like a tweed effect. This is a bit more, I found it a bit more brittle. But yeah, this is what the interior of your design spec is going to look like. Like I said, we've looked at loads, but if you've not seen my videos before, this is a quick flick through for you. The boot on the plug-in is a bit higher, so it's come almost flush, whereas if you get the hybrid, it's going to be, the boot floor is going to be down here somewhere, so you lose, I always use this gauge, it's about that much, you lose about that much in the floor space. Got a little button up here, shut the boot. All very nice. POV, it's all powering up. You got the wireless charging, all your modes. It's quite a nice design spec. See, this is why I said I recommended design spec, because it's about where you need to be. You don't really need much more. Let's just... Very nice. Nav. And it's got on this, you've got, so basically you can go through, it tells you when you last charged, how much you've charged, how your battery efficiency is. But like I said, these can do 41 miles. Let's have a look what your clock set looks like. That is what it looks like. How much is this? It's got 94% even, sorry, of charge. Total average, 1.3 miles per kilowatt hour. So yeah, that is what it all looks like. You've got a little, I think we've mentioned it in the boot. If you look at my other videos, there's a little plug socket actually. So that's all good. I think I mentioned the wireless charging. You've got a SOS button there, pinpoints your location. It calls you emergency services. But yeah, this is what your design's going to look like inside. Oh, it's got a nice reversing camera as well. The reversing camera on this is very nice. It could be a little bit bigger, but you've got that really cool LED strip. So you got the really nice 12.3 infotainment, little ambient lights everywhere now, which a little charging port so you can see them in the dark. You've got heated steering wheel on this one. You can see just in there, look, you see the ambient light I was just mentioning. So you can see your chargers. Design's all very, this is what I said, the design's quite a very good equipped car. So at 39.5 with the black roof on this plug-in, I don't think you really need much more than that. And then for me, because obviously I've mentioned I am tight, I don't like paying extra money, that 410 quid a year on the road fund license would annoy me. So on this, you're not going to have to pay it, are you? Let's get the bonnet popped and have a look under there. He's got the 18s on the design. I took out the GR, which has got 19s on the road test. I found that the design, it's got, see, these are higher profile, so I think it's a bit of a smoother ride. That's why I said this. I mean, come on, look at this. In this spec, that colour, you don't have to pay the wealth tax. It's got everything you need. Drives nice, looks great. Don't have to pay the more. I'm coming across quite old and whingy now, but it's really not. I just don't like having to pay that extra money. So I'm just giving you my advice on what I'd do, but this is what it looks like under the bonnet on the 2024 CHR plug-in. Pretty much no different to the hybrid. And that is your 2024 design plug-in, £350 black cap. You're not paying the government that extra £410 a year. That is what I recommended. That is what it looks like. Come on, it's great. So if you enjoyed that video, please do give it a like. It will help my channel immensely, and I'll see you another day on a 4K walk round of something that catches my eye, and I'm going to take you with me. One last look. That's how good it is. You just walk back and go, yeah, no, it does look great. So yeah, thanks for turning up, and I will see you another day.